section? Okay. We're going to say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi to my students. Hi to my students in Miss Burke's and Miss Owen's class. You guys are my artists, and I miss you so much.
Burke is our dog?
And Burke is our dog. We have our dog in here, too. And this is Sophie. This is my daughter, Sophie.
And this is my mama.
They call me Mrs. Sery. They know me as Mrs. Sery. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up our new art kit. This is going to be the first project you could do using the art kit once you go get it from the school. Hopefully you're able to do that, and let me know if you're not. So when you open the box, there's going to be several things in here for a few projects. We have a bag that has some papers and textures, and it should have 2 marbles in there. So if you'll get the marbles out, we're actually going to use the marbles today. All right, so I'll set them there next to you. And you also need the spoon, so I'm going to set the spoon out. And I need paper towels. I'm going to go grab the paper towels real quick because I forgot those. Is that fun?
The same blue.
All right.
They're the same blue.
Yeah, they are. They have blue colors in them, aren't they?
And black.
And black? Yes. I love to hear you say the colors. So I'm just going to set aside the items that I'm not using.
They're so sweet.
You all have...
They're so sweet.
They are. And you all have 2 bags of texture that you're going to add to the paint in a little bit. I'm going to be doing 2 different projects today with Sophie, but I'm going to make 2 separate videos. So I'll talk about these for the next video. You have finger paint. So this is finger paint.
Yay.
Yes, it's finger paint. There is clay. That's going to be another video. There are 2 sets of gloves. So if you want to wear gloves, you can. I put them in there because I have a ton of gloves at the house. And, uh-oh, let's not drop our marbles. Let's not lose our marbles, Sophie. And then I think I put these in there. This is just a placemat. I actually put some brown paper down. Hold on, Soph. I put some brown paper down for us, and I just use brown paper, and I have a huge roll of it from my Amazon deliveries. So if you get Amazon deliveries, keep all that brown paper and just flatten it out. It's great for drawing. We let you draw it and paint on it.
Be careful. It's heavy.
It's heavy, yes. Do you draw and paint on the brown paper?
Yes.
Yes, you do. We do. We like to save everything. There's a piece of cardboard, and I pulled off one section. Just great texture, tactile, and we're going to use that for a collage later. There is a shiny piece of paper that I'm going to use with our finger paints. There is a colored piece of construction paper. Snap. And then one last sheet of paper is in the very bottom, and it's actually for our Square One Art project. So you can go ahead and flip it over if you want to use this side, or you can do it on this side, or you can do both sides. I'm just going to keep it like this and keep it in the bottom of our box. So this is the paper we're going to use today. And I'm going to set all this other stuff aside, and I can save the box. Once it's dry of all the paint, we can put everything back in the box. All right.
These are amazing.
They're amazing. So I'm going to let this stay here next to you because you're going to be the project. So what we're going to do, Sophie, is we're going to be using marbles to paint today. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the marble in the paint. What color do you want to start with?
How about orange?
Orange. And I have these paints covered with the sticky saran wrap so that it makes it so that they wouldn't pop open. All right, so you can put one in there. Go ahead, you can put it in there. Just drop it in. Drop it in. Yep. And then what color do you want your other marble to go in? In the green? All right. All right, we're going to start with one color. And all we do is we're going to use the spoon, and we're going to move this around. And so whatever your child is able to do is awesome. So Sophie, you could probably stir it around, right? Can you stir it around?
Yeah.
Sometimes I could do it hand over hand. And I just hold her hand here. And then what we do is we're just going to pick that up and drop it in. And I am going to set my spoon over here. And all you have to do, Sophie, is pick up the box and tilt it. So carefully, and move that marble around. Yeah, move it around. However you want. Whoa! Move it around in all different ways. Whoa, that's super cool. Keep going. Maybe you could roll it back through the paint. Can you get it back through that paint over there? This is great. We have a standard, Sophie has a standard that we put her in because Sophie's in a wheelchair. And this would be great for her to do in her standard too. We're just downstairs in our art studio, aren't we, Sophie? All right. Here we go. Whee! Whoa, it slowed down, didn't it? Yeah, you do it. Move it around. And tell me when you're satisfied and we'll switch to the next color. And I'll have a paper towel handy so that we can clean that off. Is that fun? Do you like the colors you're creating? Huh?
I'm satisfied.
You're sad? Do you want to put in the next color?
I'm satisfied.
You're satisfied. All right, you're satisfied. So let's pick that up and we're gonna set it here on our paper towel and I'll clean that off in a minute. And I'm just gonna wipe off my spoon so that I don't get my green paint too dirty. And here, you wanna move around that one, that marble? I think it's plenty of paint on there. And then lift it up and put it in,
Where?
yeah, in the box where you wanna start it. Ooh, you wanna use the spoon a little bit, huh? That's okay.
What can we use that?
All right, and then you're more than welcome to clean off that other marble. And I'm gonna put the other marble in the purple, okay, Soph? Is that okay? So I'm gonna put it in the next color. I'm gonna clean this off. I have an apron on, Sophie has an apron on. So, and this is washable finger paint. And finger paint's okay, because, ooh, it's staying in that one corner. That's kind of neat. Can you lift it and tilt it? And so you might need a help if you want it to go in some other areas. You like the green over there, huh? Okay, we just want to be careful that nobody picks it up and puts it in their mouth, right? No, we don't want to put it in our mouth.
I'm done.
You're done with that one? All right. You want to pick it up or you want to use a spoon to pick it up? Okay, I'm going to get another paper towel. Here, leave it on here.
I got paint all day.
Oh my goodness, here, wipe it there. Or remember, you can wipe it on your apron too. All right, here is our purple. Ooh, where do you want to stir that up and drop it where you want it to go? All right, and then drop it. Where do you want it to go?
Right there.
Right there? All right.
There. Pink There, look at my painting.
You could let this dry in between each color, or you could do it all at once, however you want to do it. It's kind of nice to see it mix. Do you want to move it around a little bit more? See how you got your orange all around? Whoa, it's mixing with the orange over there, isn't it?
And green?
And green. So now it's going sideways. You have your orange going all over, your green's going up and down, and your purple is going sideways. Or horizontal. Can you say horizontal?
Horizontal.
Can you say vertical?
Vertical.
Awesome sauce. All right, so that's it. That's the project. Then we'll just make sure we take the marbles out, put them somewhere safe. And are you finished?
Yep. No, I'm not.
Oh, well, those are the only 3 colors we have. But I have another project. Do you want to do the next project?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to take a break and then do our next project in a moment. But this can set out to dry, and then you can let the box dry, and you can put all your tools back in the box. You could leave this to dry in the box too if you'd like.
I want to put my tools back in the box.
Oh, we're not going to just yet. All right, so we're going to say bye-bye.
And we'll put them on.
Yeah, we're going to do another project in a minute, but can you say bye for now?
Bye.
The camera right there.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm going to miss them.
I already miss them. I miss seeing them in my classroom.